Go.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Quick question.
Quick question. How is it that you can spell your own name?
Jocelyn.
Okay. You can count to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Very good.
Very good. You can say your ABCs.
A, B, C, E, F, G.
And do all the things you do.
Um,
What's this called?
Paper towel.
Okay. But you won't poopy on the potty. How is that possible?
Good.
How is it possible that you can do all these things and you refuse to poopy on the potty?
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Okay. Maybe you'll try for me tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get it.